Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Perfect Pomegranate host-only Sale-A-Bration stamp set, along with the amazing phrasing Sale-A-Bration stamp set, as well as the gold and silver, or silver and gold 6x6 specialty paper. And this is also a Sale-A-Bration item. Okay, and before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We are going to start with our paper pumpkin kit, the Spooky Treats kit. This kit makes 18 treat boxes and is available to subscribe to until September 10th. And there's a link in the description box below for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin kit. Next up, we have Sale-A-Bration items. These are some of the items that have been added to our Sale-A-Bration collection. Some items have already sold out, but we have, what is this? Some 3 embossing folders, 2 foil specialty papers, 4 dies, and some gift boxes that have been added to our collection. During Sale-A-Bration, you can shop and earn free products at 2 different levels. $50 will get you level 1, and $100 spent will get you level 2 items. If you host a workshop or place a large order, you will qualify to get a Perfect Pomegranate stamp set when your sales or order reaches $300. This is the host-only stamp set we'll be using today. And you can join my team, Honeybee Stamping Hive, and become a member of Stampin' Up. And you will get a free making plans collection added to your starter kit. Starter kits cost $99 plus tax. You get to choose $125 of product, anything you want that Stampin' Up sells, except for the Sale-A-Bration items. Then you get a paper pumpkin kit and a starter kit. Not a starter kit, but a business supply kit, all in your starter kit for $99, and it ships absolutely free to your door. Lastly, we have our host code for August. This is the code you should use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use the host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And as I always say, Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on our project because we have a few things to do here. So we have a card base of some rich raspberry, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have some basic white that's 5 1/4 by 4. And then we have a piece of the designer series paper. This is 1 3/4 by 4 3/4. Then I have some more basic white cut at 1 3/4. Oh, I'm sorry. This is 1 1/2 by 4 3/4. This one is 1 3/4 by 4 1/4. And then we have some scrap for stamping here. This is more basic white. And I've already gone ahead and done the inside. This is more of the designer series paper. I just colored it and stamped our sentiment for the inside. So let's go ahead and get some scrap paper out. And the first thing we're going to do is color this piece of designer paper. And we're going to color this in rich raspberry using one of our blending brushes. So I'm just going to get some color on here, and we're gonna just color on. Okay, and wherever the gold dots are on the paper, it's gonna resist the ink. So I'm gonna get a paper towel because that ink could be sitting right on top of there, and we don't want it to transfer to anything else. So we're just gonna wipe that away. See, maybe I can get it a little darker. A little darker. I'm putting a little bit more pressure. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna just wipe that away. And then we're gonna do some stamping. So let's go ahead and stamp. We're gonna get some sweet sorbet. We're gonna stamp a little flower from the Perfect Pomegranate stamp set. I'm gonna stamp that there. And these stamps look to be like a distinctive stamp. Okay, so then we have the little dots that go in the flower. I'm going to stamp those in the Memento Tuxedo Black. I'm just going to put those right in the center. Okay, what's next? We're going to take this paper and we're going to stamp some more Sweet Sorbet. We're going to stamp the pomegranates, but I am going to do some blending with this before we stamp it. So I'm going to stamp it and ink it up in the Sweet Sorbet. Then I'm going to take my blending brush, just get a little bit of ink on there, and on the solid image on the side here, we're just going to dab right at the bottom with the rich raspberry. And then we're going to stamp it over here to the left on this little strip, just like that. And where's the inside? The inside, this here, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to ink it up in Sweet Sorbet, get some more ink, and just dab. Oh, I might have did too much. That looked to be too much. Okay, and then let me move this. I'm gonna try to get this right on. I can't see if I'm lined up, but that's pretty good. Okay, so that is done. And we need to stamp our sentiment. Let's see. What color was I using for the sentiment? Black. Black, black, black. Okay. So I think I'm done with that. So let's get our black back out. These stamps that I've used. And on the outside sentiment, we're going to put "You Did It." Again, the sentiments are from the Amazing Phrasing. And we're going to stamp that right here at the bottom. Okay. So we got that one done. Now, this is the part that I'm a little nervous about because I did not practice this. I didn't tell you, but I'm using a sketch from Casing Tuesday Sketches. It is number 338. I'm a little behind. This is an old sketch. Oh, what is this? Mango Melody pad is kind of wonky looking. Okay. It looks ugly, but it still is inked up. So, but I'm using a Casing Tuesday sketch again, 338. But I'm also casing the catalog, the Sale-A-Bration brochure, I should say. And we're going to try to create these flowers that's going around like this. I'm going to try to do that. That's what I'm attempting to do here. So let me get this inked up and see. Ooh, maybe I should have used So Saffron. We're gonna see if we can't get this stamped on here. Let me see, is this gonna... Put that one in that corner there. One right there. Okay, I think that's all I need that for. Then I'm gonna get some Granny Apple Green. I'm gonna keep that open just in case I need more. No, not the Granny Apple Green, not just yet. We're gonna get the Parakeet Party. And I'm gonna put a couple of leaves in here. Just a few, I guess. That's the one that has 2. Then there's another one that has 3 on there, and we're gonna do that one in the Granny Apple Green. We're gonna go right over those. Ooh. gonna be right over it, just like that. Now, I think that's all the stamping I need to do. Okay, so now we're just gonna start putting our card together. So let me see how this is gonna come out. This is the woes for me because I don't like making more than one of the same card, so I haven't practiced this. And I think I want to turn it this way. I'm gonna put this. So I should have tried to make that tail come down a little bit further. So I might put this up right here. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let me get my multi-purpose liquid glue. And we're gonna glue this strip right across like this. Try to flatten that out where I folded it up. Get that right there. And then we're gonna take this one. I'm gonna put some glue and center it, and we're gonna put this one on right about here, just like that. Trying to get it a little more centered there. Okay, so now we're gonna do just the tiniest bit of fussy cutting, get my paper snips, and we're gonna cut this flower. Just a quick cut. You guys, I have a goal, as I always do during Sale-A-Bration, to get a couple of new team members. My goal is to get 2 team members during Sale-A-Bration. We only have about a week and a half or 2 left of Sale-A-Bration. And I also have a sales goal, and I am $100 away from reaching my goal for the sales during Sale-A-Bration. So I would really appreciate if you would put in an order with me. If you're thinking of getting some Stampin' Up products and you don't already have a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator. And if you're thinking about joining Stampin' Up, I would love to have you on my team. I have a small team. It's just me and 3 other team members. But we would love to have you join our team. There we go. Okay, so now we're just gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals. I should have gotten those out, but let me get them now. And we are going to pop this flower up. Just need 1 dimensional. We're gonna put it right here. And then we're gonna take this entire panel and glue it to our card base. So let me get the glue. You know, I feel like I wanna, it's a lot of white. I wanna put some ink on the edges of this. Why? I don't know. I could have left it like it was. Just looked like it needed a little bit more done. So now we will take our glue, get our card base, and center this right on the front of our card. Whoops. Did I just have ink on my fingers? I did. Hey, I should have curled that up a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna take You Did It, woohoo, on our inside. Maybe I should do this one too, sort of match the front. That would be a good idea. Since I went ahead and did it, just roughly do it. Put some glue. Glue that down. Okay, and what I want to do is add some bling. But what bling are we going to be using? What colors did I use? Sweet Sorbet. So let's get the 22 to 24 in color matte decorative dots. And take your pick tool. And we'll just spread a couple of these around. Maybe I'll put one here. Ooh, I like this one. It's nice and dark. Actually, I'll put one right here. And then I'll put another small one at the top somewhere. Maybe right here. Just like that. That is our card done. Cute, right? You know what? This would look cute. Let me see. I said it was done, but these are the fruit, so they usually are wet. So let's put some Wink of Stella on that. Yeah. I love pomegranates. They're so good. That's it. There we go. That's all it needed. That final little touch. Cute. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.